This was the first attempt at making an RC tank. It's a scale model of a Stug 3 for my brother. It's done, but I didn't have pictures on hand. My first project that was designed in CAD. Worked on it until the morning of the 4th of July.
Oh my god. Oh.
New Year's modifications. First time the tank shot remotely. Huge success.
All this stuff from FreeCAD. The program, it's free. That's about as much as I can positively say about this program. Thank you, FreeCAD. Moving forward, definitely going to be using more Onshape, not sponsored.
Fucking my ears.
Ah, shit. Shit's broke. This side, this belt snapped. Oh yeah, there's some belt chunks in there. Belts are not the way to go. Next upgrades, gonna be gears. Figured out how to make herringbone gears when I made this. I'll be upgrading the turret to Nerf Blaster because I gotta use this more than one day out of the year. Other than that, it's pretty fun.